Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare GoPro linear versus wide fields of view. Let's dive straight into understanding these two distinct settings that significantly impact your footage. We'll explore how each option changes the perspective and overall feel of your video, helping you make informed decisions for your next adventure. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which setting best suits different shooting scenarios, ensuring your GoPro captures exactly what you envision. Get ready to elevate your videography. The wide field of view is GoPro's signature look, offering an incredibly expansive and immersive perspective. It's fantastic for capturing the full scope of your adventures, from sweeping landscapes to intense action sports. While it delivers that iconic, dynamic feel, it also introduces a noticeable fisheye distortion, especially at the edges. This means straight lines might appear curved. With an approximate field of view of 170 degrees, it truly puts you right in the heart of the action, making viewers feel like they are there with you. Now, let's talk about the linear field of view. This setting offers a more traditional, natural perspective by digitally correcting the fisheye distortion often associated with wide-angle lenses. Your footage will look flatter, with straight lines appearing straight, making it ideal for scenarios where realism and a less exaggerated look are preferred. Think vlogging, interviews, or capturing architectural details. With a narrower field of view, typically around 90 to 100 degrees, linear focuses more on your subject, providing a clean, professional aesthetic without the wide-angle bend. So, which one is better? Ultimately, the better field of view is entirely dependent on the story you want to tell and the specific shot you're trying to achieve. If you want to immerse your audience in the heart of the action with an expansive, dynamic feel, go wide. But if you're aiming for a more natural, undistorted, and cinematic look, linear is your friend. Don't be afraid to experiment with both settings in different scenarios. Understanding their unique characteristics will empower you to capture truly stunning footage every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.